Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a fresh wet paint layer of Maiden Black paint, acrylic. And I'm going to just take this and let it do whatever it wants for a moment. And I'm going to grab some house paint, some PPG Speed Hide is what I've got to use. I should have taken the top off that. I suppose I could still try. Maybe not. I do need a copious amount of house paint as a base layer. That was a bad idea. But now we have our paint at least. That's the catalyst to spread everything else. So I'll just leave that over here. And put the cap back on later. And the tack in it now before I lose it. That's the Maiden. This is my black paint from Walmart. It's called Onyx. It's a semi-gloss. The PPG Speed Hide is also a semi-gloss. And who knows what the designs are going to turn out to be. I'm sort of learning as time goes on what I can get and what I can't get. I don't know what that thing is dragging there. It's a filament. Okay, so far so good. Now I want to put Colour Arte Prizm pour colors over it. And I've just mixed up some Primary Elements Sky Blue in Vivid Polypore. I have some Blue Velvet, which is a Prizm pour. I had a dream and these colors were in it. Hopefully I get it right. I'm going to use some True Silver. Now the only problem is I know the center of the canvas doesn't spin out well. I'm going to put a little bit of Cerulean Blue in there, another Prizm pour, which is somewhere in between the other two. And I really want to get out of my comfort zone. I didn't open the bottle, darn. Well, if it comes open in the next minute, it did. This is a mix of sour lemon and orange crush. And who knows what's going to happen to that. I may get green, especially with the black. But I may just be spinning a whole lot. I'm going to put my paint out of my way. I'm going to try and keep my colors simple. These are the colors that I was thinking about. I have some Abalone, new Abalone Prizm pour. I want to use it. It's incredibly shimmery. And it might add a little bit more negative space. I watch Winter Strom art and she gives me ideas. I don't think my stuff looks anything like hers at all. I'm going to put that down here for the minute. I'm really tempted by the Hot Orchid. I'm going to run my finger up the side of this and down here. I've got a paint filament on there. I'm not going to worry too much about it because I'm pretty sure the spinning will take care of most of it. But I might as well get rid of whatever is dripping. Okay, so I need to peel one piece of paint off my fingertip and remove that chip there. I'm being called to orange. I can't help it. I've got to put some orange crush in there. No, it's not. I'm going to put some Big Apple Orange Crush combination. They've just made a new color Prizm Pour Colored called Saffron, and I can't wait to see it. It's based on this combination right here. We shall see. I'm having a hard time not doing my pink. And I should have grabbed, and I can grab, an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, because I don't mind having a little more white interrupting those stripes. I will probably do a scoop and drag, but there's no guarantee. These are going in the bucket. I still want some pink. I have some pink diamond to use up. It's really, really thick. It might be a mistake, but I think it'll be alright. We'll see anyway. So, I've been playing with, and I'm going to continue to play with, a thicker version of Australian Floetrol and Aussie Amsterdam White or Black and other colors. Oh, I've got to plug in the end of my bottle. Excuse me while I motivate that out. I'm going to use both the black and the white on a smaller palette knife before I go ahead and use a larger one. And I'm going to use some, brain cramp, some Mayan Gold, something I use all the time, which is not a cell activator. I don't want to overwork anything. I already see that I've got some green going on there. I do want to bring some pink in there other than the pink that I have. I'm going to grab my larger palette knife too. I'm going to go for the white. This is Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. And I think I'm going to grab some of the sky blue, put it right on top. Try that. Although I didn't use the one color I was thinking I was supposed to be using, which was the Midnight Shadow. I wasn't sure how the heavier Australian Floetrol was going to work. Come on, stop sticking. I'm not super thrilled with what I see yet, but that doesn't really matter. I'm getting somewhere. I'm just not sure where that somewhere is. I'm going to put a little bit more of that red-orange right here. I'm really tempted by some more black, just house paint. I did that because I trailed some and I wasn't expecting it to. Yeah, it might be a complete freak show, but we gotta play. And that could be pretty cool. The one thing I keep forgetting to do is to tip beforehand. I'm going to use a skewer. They are kind of boating colors. I kind of want a dish to pour off into, to tell you the truth. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I think I have to spin before I do anything else. Although I still want some of that midnight shadow. So let's just put some of that in there and see how I like it. I want to use it as a cell activator, to tell you the truth. So why don't I just experiment for a minute with a little bit of white Aussie Floetrol, Amsterdam white, mixture, cell activator. I was going to go up here, but I like that. Well, I don't see any of the midnight shadow, but that doesn't mean it won't show up, because it might. Alright, so I've got to take that out of there or it'll get covered with paint. Move a few things so I can stand in here. Looks like I need to move my whole apparatus up. Hopefully we're still in shot. You know what? I better check that. That's kind of fun. Yeah, I definitely need to check that. Let's move this so you can actually see what I'm doing. Clever girl, had a moment. All right, let's see what happens. It's a pretty out there concept design-wise, just throwing paint willy-nilly, and that's pretty cool. I'm not sure what I want to do with that, but I'm thinking maybe break it up a little bit. It's definitely an out there concept, even for me. So let's put a few spirals in, because that usually comforts me quite nicely. I think it's time to spin one more time. I wonder if I want something else, and I kind of do. Let's throw a little bit of passion in there. Oh, I see a spot I want to fix. For the spiral. Alright, we're going to spin some more. Watch paint flow. An unusual composition, to say the least. I've got a minute left. So I should tell you guys, I have 2,700 videos. That sounds crazy. And I'm happy to share them with you. If you have a desire, You can go and check my channel out and see playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, or you can just ask me because I've got them saved by topic and genre and by the 100. What am I not liking about this? Something. I've only got a minute left. Well, actually, I have a little bit longer than that. So I'm going to grab some more of the white, and some more of the gold. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I really want some more pink. I think that's going to make me happy. I could be wrong. But I'm going to have to spin out again to find out. I'm not. Oh, that was cell activator. Oh, interesting. Okay then. Not the color I had in mind at all. This is Passion from Primary Elements. Maybe more is better. Part of me just wants to swipe through, but I've told you that before. It's getting better. And hopefully if I spin it hard enough or far enough, it won't have any more crazing. There, that's actually pretty interesting. I'm liking that a lot. I just want to add some gold. So what did I not tell you? Underneath the link tree, underneath Show More, you're going to find my paint pouring recipe under Show More. But underneath the link tree, you'll find my website and Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, all kinds of links to everything, everything me. Maybe a few things I don't use much lately. One more spin and I'm done. She says that, but you don't believe her. I'm sure. I wouldn't believe me either. Ooh, that makes a good break. I like that. Yeah, because I want orange. I still want more orange. Got a little bit of mucky color, but there was some gray in here. Well, I'll see how I feel about it tomorrow. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. And I will zoom in. It's intense. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it yet. It's just one of those things. Might not seem like I'm in the zone right now, but I might fall right hard in love with it tomorrow. I think that might be the best view up. And I'm still not in position. Those are some strange colors. And I would shimmer it at you, and I will try, but I think you're going to be gone in a heartbeat. So, no, I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I'm posted 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. There's some really nice colors going on. I will pop the bubbles. Those especially to see with a skewer. And I will keep trying to refine my desire for weird and funky. All right, take care of each other. I told you that already. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll sort